The Xiaomi 12T is a mid-range smartphone that offers a compelling blend of performance, display quality, and battery life, positioning itself as a strong contender in its segment. Design and display. The Xiaomi 12T features a sleek design with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, offering a resolution of 2712 by 1220 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Performance. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Ultra chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This configuration delivers snappy performance, capable of handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Camera system. The Xiaomi 12T is equipped with a triple camera setup, headlined by a 108MP main sensor. This high-resolution sensor captures detailed images, while the accompanying ultra-wide and macro lenses offer versatility for different shooting scenarios. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi 12T is its 5000 mAh battery, which provides excellent longevity, easily lasting through a full day of intensive use. Additionally, the device supports 120 watts fast charging, allowing for rapid replenishment of the battery, minimizing downtime. Overall, the Xiaomi 12T presents a well-rounded package with its impressive display, robust performance, and exceptional battery life. While the additional camera lenses may not match the quality of the main sensor, the overall value proposition makes it a compelling choice. Thank you.